how to calculate hours worked in Excel. If you have the in time and out time, you can calculate the total hours by watching this video. So let's watch this video till end, and please subscribe our channel and let us know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. So let's start and understand how to calculate hours worked in Excel. First, you should have your simple understanding how the formatting of hours, and you should do the formatting proper way. If you want to use the keyboard shortcut, if you press Ctrl plus your colon, you will get the current date. Similarly, if you press Ctrl Shift plus your colon, you will get a current time. And the most advanced feature is if you press Ctrl plus colon space Ctrl Shift plus colon, you will get date as well as the time. So now this is the formula we are going to use, and we'll calculate the hours and we'll format the cells in proper order how we need it. For example, let's say I'm going to press first Ctrl plus colon, so I get the current date, give one space, Ctrl Shift colon, so I get the current time. So here similarly I can format that as well, Ctrl plus R, so that I get the same format here as well. So now I have to calculate total hours. So equal to out time minus your in time. Now this format we need to modify. All these formats we need to modify. Either you can click the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus 1, or go to Home tab, click on the arrow button under the number format. Once you click on that, you will have your custom formats. For example, in this case I want to display only my time and in a normal way, or in AM PM. For example, AM PM. So now you can see here, even if date is inside, I get only AM here. So now I can format it here. Now the different hours, how I can show in proper way. Now here also press here. Now go to here time. I want only hours. I don't want AM and PM. So now if I change here, for example, I'm going to change it as 9:30 AM. Here 7:30, or you can directly go to and type 7:30. So automatically it will take AM by default, and you can make PM. So now if you see here, it is on same date, but now since I change the format, it is not getting calculated. So I have to make sure both I am keeping the same format. So now I am going to change here 7:30 PM. So I can see here 9:30 to 7:30 is 10 working hours. So now again, suppose I want to format this format. I am not confident. I want along with the date, but I want in different format. Then go to custom, and you can modify here based on your needs. For example, your hours will be HH, your seconds will be SS, minutes will be MM, date will be DD, month will be MM, year will be YY. For example, I want date slash month space your hours and colon and minutes, and click OK. So now you can see here the format got changed. I can format the painter and I want. So similarly you can change the format the way you want, and you can start typing by using the Ctrl plus Ctrl Shift plus. You don't have to type again and again. If you want to know how to automate the date and time, you can find the video link in the description below. So if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.